Hello guys and welcome back into your brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to pay with PayPal on uh, eBay. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So now, all you will be needing to do is to follow this Help Center article. And as you can see, you can pay with PayPal by only selecting PayPal as your payment method at the checkout. So all we need to do is to simply go to any product that would support like selling with PayPal or that supports PayPal as payments method, and then we can simply uh, buy with PayPal or pay with PayPal. So we can just choose anything. For example, I'm just going for this one. Now you will need just to click on buy it now. But first you will need to see if they are supporting PayPal as payment method. If there are sellers that doesn't support PayPal, this means you can do nothing about it. So here I'm just going to click on buy it now and then they will take me to the checkout page. Now we are going to choose any payment method that we'd like, and here we need just to add your debit card, etc. So I'm just going to choose PayPal. Now you will need just to click on pay with PayPal. After that, they will redirect you to the page where you will need to log in into your PayPal so you can pay with your PayPal. So I'm just going to click on pay with PayPal. Now I need just to log in into my account. So as you can see, you can log in to my account and then the transaction would be successful. And as you can see, there is also like the PayPal credit if you want to use it, but it is not uh, available for this purchase and really depends on the seller's option or the seller's payment supported payment method. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.